No Moon Tonight starts in A position. Thumb on A. You can see where my middle C is. We're going to start on that A. And left hand is going to be on middle C. The right hand, keep in mind, we're going to be holding it down while the left hand plays. And if you look at the music with me, line 1 and 2 are exactly the same. Line 3 is different, and line 4 is almost the same as 1 and 2. So follow me here. Hold down the right hand. Hold the right hand. Off. Follow me here in the right hand. Start your thumb on A, and I'm going to be skipping. A, C, D, A and E hold together. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 2, 3. Second line. Hold, 2, 3. Wait, 2, 3. Wait, 2, 3. Fourth line. Hold, 2, 3. Wait, 2, 3. Wait, 2, 3. Finish. Left hand here is very straightforward. We're going to start with your thumb on middle C, and we're going to play the same thing twice. Listen to the first line. C, A, G, A, 2, 3. Second line. Third line, you don't play anything. And the fourth line, C, A, G, C,